Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Felix from Atlas Spine and Wellness Care, and today I'll go over a really simple exercise you can do to help alleviate and relieve sciatic pain in just a matter of moment. Alright, so Dr. Erica is here with me and she's going to lay on her right side. She has left-sided sciatic pain, alright, so you always lay on the side opposite of the side you have sciatic pain. And what she's going to do is super simple. She's just going to put her knees at about 90 degrees angle here. Her feet are going to be together and she's going to slowly lift her knee up while keeping her feet together. So she kind of just opens up like this, okay? She's going to do that 10 times for 7 days. She can do that the first week for 10 times, and then she can go up to 20 times the second week and all the way to 30 times after 3 weeks, and then you just stay at 30 times a day. All right, thanks for watching.